Hello friends, I am Zarina. I am pharmacist. Right now I am fashion designer. It is my privilege during one of the Brahma Kumari's function. I met S.M. Raju. He is the inventor of miracle drinks who has spoken about miracle drinks and their remedies to cure various diseases. I am very much impressed, so opted to take these miracle drinks to cure my pre-diabetic and hypertension. Well said by Almighty that I had not created any disease without keeping its remedy in the nature to cure the diseases. Almighty has chosen Mr. Raju to search out in his nature remedies to cure the disease from trees. After days of taking the miracle drinks, I had noticed a lot of improvements in my body. I gained full energy to do my daily activities. My hypertension is also reduced. The additional supplement of flaxseed drink helped me a lot, so normalized my pre-diabetic and hypertension. I will recommend it all those who are suffering from diseases. A remedy has been kept miraculously in miracle drinks without any side effects to cure disease like diabetic, hypertension, liver, heart, abdominal problems, ortho, allergies, and cancer, etc. I sincerely thank to Dr. S.M. Raju and his team for inventing this drink to cure all the disease naturally. Thank you very much, sir.